Hey everyone, friends. Welcome to the Velour channel. Today, I'll show you how to install Google Play Store on PC. For this, I've got my personal computer here, and I need to open up a browser. So, here we click the plus, open a new tab, and type in Google Play Store. There it is, Google Play Store. Now we need to add on PC to that. So here's the first result, Google Play Games. Play your phone games on your computer. Click on it and hit download on PC. It downloads this file, which will open. Here's the Google Play Games installer opening up. This is basically Google Play Store. Choose your install location and click Install. Click Yes. A pop-up appeared that you can't see due to my OBS settings, and now the installation is running. We'll wait for it to finish installing. Once installation's done, you'll need to sign into your Google account. I'm already signed in, so now just play whatever you want. And that's it. This was Velour. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. See you all later.